It's comes with a soft close. So when you fold it down, it goes very smooth. It's very easy to install. You have easy access to all the mounting points. And it's also very silent, so it makes no noise when you're folding it up or down, which is very good. We have a couple of other brackets in our range, but we saw there is a need on the market for something that's more silent, more easy to install, and also designed from the beginning with a soft close feature. Some of the perfect applications for a folding bracket like this would be like I showed here, it's a folding table or a sideboard or anywhere where you need some extra space and you can fold down and fold up a table. That is what we have developed this bracket for.